There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 things there, right? And we're going to divide it then into 3 groups. Just give me one group, okay? Give me one group. Touch them and drag them into one group. Very good. So what's the same thing about them?
Liquid.
Liquid, very good. Thank you. What are liquids?
Things that can...
Yeah, very good. Liquids that can flow. You see, the juice can flow, right? The water can flow. Another one is the Coca-Cola. Oh, this is the tree. Yeah, that can be a group. And what about another one? Okay, very good. So, what are the same thing about the two? They all can flow. Actually, they all can blow. Okay, so now, quick question. Who can tell me what are the 3 groups? The first one?
Liquid.
Liquids. And number 2, gases. And number 3?
Solid.
Liquids, gas, solid. So when you take a look at the solids, take a look at these red spots. Okay, the solid has the red dots. We call that particles. Particles, they are so tight, so they don't change their shape. How about the liquids? Okay, ice on the red spots. Okay, did you see the red spots? They will just go like a vibration, right? They go like vibrating, so they can flow. So their shape, yeah, they have no shape. But if you put a glass, they are going to be the shape of the glass. And let's take a look at the gas. The red spots are moving even faster.
Yes.
Very good. Now, let's think about something. Why can the water change states? So, yeah, so this is the topic we're going to learn today. States of water, right? We're going to learn that today. And later we're going to do some experiments. First one, we're going to find out how the water turns to ice. Now, everyone, eyes on me. So first of all, you will put ice. And you need a lot. And the secret is to put a little bit of water. So I'm going to put a little bit of water. And I'm going to shake it well. Shake it, shake it. And then the most important ingredients is to put the salt. And in the end, let's put the metal tray inside. All right, and then teacher is going to drop a few droplets on your tray. And later it is going to be ice. Exactly the same when you are making ice creams. Okay, now it's your turn. Anyone else?
有没有？
我的已经扒不下来，冻在上面了。
你的已经泡进去了。
我的泡进去。
Now we're going to learn about melting. You try to freeze your water, right? Now you are trying to melt your ice ball. Now everyone is going to get the ice ball. And then we have 2 tools. That's right. And the one is steel and another one is dynamic. And later we're going to need a little bit of luck. We have 2 wheels. And those are 2 sets of different tools. Now I'm going to invite the students come here and you can get your tool. And you are going to use the tools to melt your ball. So we are going to see who has the smallest ball. Go, 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 touch the screen. Let's see, what did you get? 抽到 scrub. 菜瓜布, you get scrub. Okay, and one more. This one, what did you get? Yeah, paper. You get papers and scrub. What did you get? Oh, you get a hand warmer. Good job, good for you. 暖暖包. Very good. Okay, one more. You get the straw. So you can blow it. Yeah. So now, please eyes on me. Everyone eyes on this screen. Why does change states. Oh, this is a ice cube, right? Okay, so now just find out your heat marker. Is the heat matter when the state changes? Oh, you see? Okay, so when the ice turns to water now, let's put the heat one more time. Oh, now they are changing into gas. This is the ice, right? Because the particles are so close to each other and they don't change the shape. When they turns to the water, just like ice turns to water, we call that, repeat after me, we call that melting. Very good, melting. Excellent. And when the water, you can see, the particles are not so close to each other, so they can flow. They can flow. And when they turn back to ice, we call that freezing. Freezing. Very good, very good. The last thing, let's take a look at this page. Okay, we're going to take a look at how the water turns to water and steam. Come here. Okay, gather around here. Don't be too close. Okay, don't be too close. The water is not hot and it's not so cold. It's actually the room temperature. And now let's try this. And then let's put it back the lid. And later we're going to see. Oh, go back here. Water turns to water and steam. Do we have water vapor under the lid? Yes. Oh, here. Can you see it? Those are water vapor. It was a gas, right? It was a gas. And when the gas turned back to water, you see, water, gas. Water, we call this. Gas turned to water, we call that condensation. Have you learned that before? Yeah. Yeah, very good. So now, go back to your seats. Very good. Let's move on to the next page. Okay, take a look. This page we're going to learn about clouds, but we're not going to learn that from ARpedia. We're going to learn how to make a cloud. So first of all, let's listen to it.
Is seawater. Water vapor that rises high from the sea to the sky condenses into small water droplets and becomes a cloud. Water droplets and ice crystals in the clouds fall back to the ground as rain or snow. Rain and snow falling to the ground become rainwater and run down. That water is again consumed by plants, animals, and people. It seeps back into the ground and becomes groundwater.
Okay, so you can see the clouds are all in the sky. Can someone tell me what do we need to make the clouds? Just one thing, okay, just one thing. Okay, water, yeah, that's the first thing. Okay, what else? Ice cubes, what else? Temperature, very good, temperature. Okay, actually we have one more thing to add it to, but later we're going to find out. So now we're going to, let's make clouds. Now, everyone, take a look at my experience first. Okay, eyes on me.
那这时候要很小心，不要去玻璃罐底下，因为它是热水。你那塑胶要补好哦。好。
We have to keep the water vapor inside. Okay, we need the incense stick and it's burning.
好，这就是我们的凝结核，所以我们需要它的这个烟。好，那我热水倒下去之后呢，家长就帮我这样子，你们可以让小朋友自己就是把盖口给盖起来，然后我们这边也都有准备好冰块，因为我们要让烟上来之后碰到冷空气。
So that is how we turn the sky into the ice, because you know, the higher the skies are, we have the lower temperature, right? So the water vapor goes up and meet the cold air. But we don't have cold air, so we have cold ice. All right? So that is how you make the clouds. Okay, I'm going to take it out. Did you see the clouds? They are like this. They are swimming. They are waving. Did you see it? You have to stay closer. Go, take a look. So if it is smoke, they will just go rise up.
我的就很不是因为待会有水蒸气。
你看，很明显，你看。
是啊。
It's successful. You can see it's not smoke because smoke will just go right it up.
Okay, everyone, take a look at this. This is a perfect cloud. Okay, now let's review one more time. Can we review one more time? What does the hot water provide? Water vapor, very good. How about the burning stick? What does that provide? Yeah, smoke. So they have the tiny dust. And when the water vapor meets this tiny dust, and then when they meet the cold air, yeah, they form the clouds. And the clouds are made of the tiny droplets, okay? So inside this white fog, inside the clouds, actually there are droplets. 它们是很小很小的小水珠哦 ，OK？ 为什么它们有颜色 ？Because 有灰尘 ，OK？ That's the color of the smoke. Okay, now very good. We have done so many experiments today. So in the end, I want to talk about the last thing. We have learned about the clouds. When the clouds getting too bigger, it is going to be, remember the long word, precipitation. Why don't we just say rain? Because it can be rain, it can be sleet. And how about this one? Snow, very good. So we don't call that just rain. We call that precipitation. That means the water falls from the sky. Alright, so that is the end of our class. If you don't have any question, we have to say goodbye, okay? Thank you, everyone. My name is Brandy, so see you next time.